In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset GoPro Hero 4 Wi-Fi password. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble using the Wi-Fi on your GoPro Hero 4, I'm gonna teach you how to perform a software or firmware update which also allows you to reset the password. You can change the name of the network and also the password attributed to your Hero 4 camera. So to do this, you will need to download specific update files and load them into the SD card of your camera. So to start, remove the SD card from the GoPro Hero 4 and load it into your PC or laptop. Now, there are two ways to acquire these update files. You can either get them from the official GoPro website, which works, but I would actually recommend getting it from this blog made by Owen McCrank. As you can see, they made a post in 2015 that includes all of the firmware for most camera models between the GoPro Hero 3 and GoPro Hero 4, and you will notice that it has a lot of comments. People to this day are still visiting this page, downloading these updates and using them. So you will see that all of them are thanking this person for the fixes, and I would highly recommend using these instead of the official files. These are preserved and they are absolutely sure to work. So if you want to visit this website, click on the GoPro Hero 4 Silver or GoPro Hero 4 Black download, and you will get this zip file that contains the update needed for you to manage the Wi-Fi settings. Now, what you will have to do is open this, and you will have these files. So camera firmware, camera loaders. All that you have to do is drag these into the SD card. So connect the SD card to your PC or laptop and drag them inside like this. There will be some additional information here if you need. And now you can eject the SD card and place it inside of your GoPro. The password will be reset to GoPro Hero. So when you insert the SD card with the update files back into the GoPro Hero 4, it is going to update automatically. The Wi-Fi name will be GoPro Hero, and the password will also be GoPro Hero. So you can now connect to these networks as you wish. You can also acquire the files from the official website, so if you want to do it here because you don't trust the blog or for whatever other reason, go to the product support page and under update your camera manually, you can click on Windows. Now download the update as you can see here, and they are going to guide you through the same steps that I described. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset GoPro Hero 4 Wi-Fi password. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.